Hello, introverted writer here. Today we're going to deviate a little bit from origami, and I'm going to show you how to cut an equilateral triangle, and I'm also going to show you how to cut a pentagon out of paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our simple paper here. You're going to fold it in half. Alrighty. As always, please like and subscribe. Then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it along from this corner, and you're going to get this corner to meet the crease. So you're going to want the fold to start in this corner, and then you're going to want to find where it meets that crease. That point has to meet that crease. Of course, you know, I'm clumsy and not doing it very well. Okay. I find it's easier once you find the sweet spots, just put your fingers down on those right away and make that crease. Okay? So there you go. You got part of it. So this basically is a third of the length of the paper. This space, it makes sense later. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it over so it meets this edge. So the crease is going to be right down this middle edge here. Okay. My creases aren't so tight today. Alright, so you have this cone shape here. You're going to unfold it. And essentially what you've done is where these two creases, this one here and the center crease here, where they intersect is where your third point is going to be. So all you have to do is you have to create a crease that goes from this corner to this edge. So corner, not edge, but intersection there. And I gotta see it. So I'm hoping you can see the creases okay, but you'll create that new edge there, and all you have to do at that point is you just need to cut along this crease and this crease. If it's hard to see, which here, let me do this a little bit. I hope you can see the creases and all those little angles I'm making. Okay, if it's hard to see, feel free to fold it down along the crease that you know is good. Take the edge of a pencil, which this one's really dull, so it's probably not the best, and just kind of like color along the edge there. And it should give you kind of a faint line. Or what you can do is you can always employ the fingernail technique where you get your edge, right? And then you just run your fingernails back and forth over the crease a couple times. Flip the fold the other way. What you're doing is you're weakening the paper in that crease. Flip it back. And you want your fingernails because you want to create an abrasive edge to kind of wear away the paper right there on that crease. Okay? And what that will do is it eventually will weaken the paper to the point where you can easily tear it. And then you'll do it to the other side. Okay, if it's thicker paper, you'll have to, of course, do it more times. If it's thinner paper, you don't need to do it as much. So, and there you go. You have an equilateral triangle. Bring it here, baby. If you're having problems with it, bring it here. Can you bring it here? Mama will fix it. Now for the pentagram. Same start. You're going to fold it in half, of course. All right. Bring it here. Bring it here. All right. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this corner down so that this edge lines up with the bottom. Okay, and then you're going to just make that crease nice and tight, unfold it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold up. It doesn't have to be both layers, but you're going to fold up this bottom to match the top. So you're going to fold it into quarters there on that side. Now, where this intersection is where you want to take this corner. So you're going to bring it up to meet that intersection. No, baby. No. Please put that back. Can you please put that back? All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this edge to meet this edge. Alrighty. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take this edge and you're going to meet this crease right here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to just fold this back so that you've got another cone shape. Now you'll see this top layer here, that is basically your guide. So what you'll do is you'll just cut along that top edge, and what I like to do is I like to take my scissors, meet it up, hold it steady, and cut. Alright, and then when you unfold it, you will have a pentagon. So there you have your triangle and your pentagon. Again, please like and subscribe. It helps. And if you have any comments, any questions, feel free to leave them below. A lot of star folds and a lot of flower folds don't have to be done in a square paper. You can use this, which will give you more petals or more points, and you can use this, which will give you fewer petals and points. Or there's a couple really pretty ones that utilize this one where you interlock them together and you can get 6 points. You can do a lot of stuff. So it's actually really helpful to know how to do this. That's it for this video. I'm going to try to upload another one today to make up for missing one of my uploads. But you know, Christmas is busy, so I was busy. Too bad. So sad. All right, see you next time.